India's rapid economic development has taken a massive toll on the environment, and it will continue to do so if we don't act now. So, should we act on this pressing issue? Of course, yes. It's kind of a future at stake here.
लेकिन क्या है ना पृथ्वी जी, it costs too much money to save the environment. So it's not in the best economic interest of the country. Besides, we have other problems such as poverty, malnutrition, unemployment. That's what we need to focus on. And we need to increase our GDP growth rate. Environment तो अपने benefit के लिए तो use करना है.
Arya Chaturji, those things won't matter in the future. Due to climate change, our own well-being and existence is at stake here. चलो अपने future की बात करते हैं. India is the 5th most vulnerable country to climate change. Do you know what this means? This means more extreme storms, floods and droughts in India. Do you really want to leave such an hostile planet for your kids and grandkids?
हाँ सोचेंगे, लेकिन अभी नहीं. Right now, our economy is going through a COVID-19 slump, and we need to focus on our GDP growth.
But do you really think our economy is resilient to climate change damages? मतलब अभी देख लीजिए ना, साइक्लोन आम्फान और साइक्लोन निसर्ग ने कैसे हमारी वाट लगा दी थी.
So what's the big deal in that? These things happen every single year.
Okay, so listen to this. Due to global warming, Earth's temperature will go so high that you have to forget all your beach parties.
No way! That can't happen.
Okay. अभी भी वक्त है. We still need to develop more and build more. All that I'm saying is, let's do it in a green and sustainable way so that it does not hamper the environment.
But this economic model has brought development, elevated millions out of poverty, and brought a prosperous and luxurious life to many people. So why should we change such a model? Tell me.
Yes, I agree with you. But don't you think that this model is a bit outdated? I mean, it was good for the last century, but we kind of have a bigger threat this century of climate change. So it's imperative that we must change now.
Prithvi ji, but this model has brought us so much wealth. Why should we give up our money?
But we are giving up money to climate change and pollution right now. Even the World Bank estimates that the total cost of environmental degradation in India amounts to 80 billion US dollars per year. So it's just not done. But what if I tell you there was a better way to make money?
Are you serious? I'm listening.
We need to transform our current economic model to a green economic model. With this model, our economy can grow without hampering the environment. Mr. Chatur, why do we really create wealth? It's for our own prosperity, isn't it? With this model, we'll have better resource and energy use. This means better jobs, better livelihood, and better quality of life for all. It's like hitting two birds in one stone.
You're not serious, are you? That's not really possible. Wait. Or is it?
Yes, it is. Register now and find out at India's first conference on climate economics,
Where notable scientists, industry experts, and economists will come together to discuss one agenda:
building
synergy between environment and economics.